Let us take the next question. Cot x log of sin x. Cot x log of sin x into dx. That's the question you're having. Cot x log of sin x. Now the question is, if I try to differentiate log, the question is, can I get log? It is not at all possible to get from cot. You'll not be able to get log of sin x. This possibility is not there. If you want, you can check it. If I try to differentiate this cot of x, so what will be the derivative of cot of x? Therefore, what has to be done over here? You have to take log of sin x to be t. But should we take the entire log of sin x to be t? That is not possible. Therefore, we'll try to simplify that one. So however, this value which is there is minus cosecant square of x. So therefore, it is not possible over here. Therefore, I'll be putting log of sin x. So the question is, should I completely put log of sin x, because log of sin is there. So the innermost term you'll be taking it as t. Only the innermost term. But if I take only the innermost term as t, then in that case, what happens? That will not satisfy. Three possibilities I am showing you. This is the first possibility. Second possibility is, if I take only sin x as t, only sin x as t, will I get cot x or not? Sin x differentiation will give you cos x. So cos x should be there here, but cos x is not there. Cot x is there. Therefore, this will also fail. So now the question is, what is the next possibility? If this fails, then what is the possibility? So this you cannot do it, as we have checked it. The next possibility is, can we take the entire expression, this entire expression to be t? So in that case, what happens if we try to differentiate? Log will be getting 1 by sine, and differentiation of sine will become cos. Cos by sine will be cot. So that is a possibility. So three different cases are there. So the third case that you have over here is d by dx of log of sin x. D by dx of log of sin x. Differentiation of log first, because always you have to go from the outermost to the innermost, right? First log differentiation will give you what? Log differentiation will give you 1 by, you are having sine, and differentiation of sine will give you cos. So cos by sine will give you cot. So you are having cot here. So therefore, the entire log of sin x will become t, right? It's not that simply we are going to take it, but you have to first judge what are the possibilities and which value has to be taken as t. So once you have decided, then let us go ahead and solve it. So therefore, put log of sine of x to be equals to t. Then if I try to differentiate this one, derivative of log will be 1 by sine x. Differentiation of sine will be cos x. Derivative of x will be dx. Derivative of t will be dt. So now this is cos by sine. Cos by sine will give you cot x into dx is equals to dt. So you can observe that you're having cot x into dx, its value is dt, and log of sin x is what? Log of sin x is t. So it is t into dt. Now you can integrate this one. We know this formula, integral of x power of n into dx will be x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the constant c. If no power is there, it is understood that it is power 1. So n value will be 1. So therefore it becomes t power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant c. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus the constant c. But what is the value of t that we have taken? T we have taken it as log of sin x. Therefore substitute that as log of sin x, and it is squared. So whole square divided by 2 plus the constant c. So that will be the required solution.